So if you've ever debated, like so many of us have, on whether or not to carry a fixed blade or a pocket knife, a folding knife, I think this knife might help solve that for so many of us. This has a warranty card, a catalog, the CIVIVI microfiber cloth with their logo on it. Looks like we got a ball chain. We've got a nice now Kydex scabbard for it. And then here it is, the Baby Banter fixed blade. The perfect size for both everyday carry or for a kit. This would be a great knife to put into an emergency kit. It's a small size, great easy hold, nice notches up top, up front. This is going to be, I mean, is it the ideal size? It just might be. Such a nice knife. We've got the Nitro V blade. We've got the green micarta grips. Awesome design. Look at the grind on that blade. I like the shape. I like the grind. The thickness. Full tang, of course. Very lightweight. Small enough to carry a fixed blade, but it's not going to be an obnoxious one or too large. Hope this helps.